Strong winds we have felt over the past 2 days damaged some buildings here in Siouxland.
Yeah, and that includes actually the damage to the roof of a Metro Middle School. Roofing crews were out this morning at South Sioux City Middle School cleaning up debris. South Sioux City Community Schools say part of the roof above the auditorium area was damaged, but crews left before noon today because the winds were too strong for them to work. Workers at the scene told KTIV they didn't know if the damage extended to the inside of the building. South Sioux City schools are out on winter break. They're expected to be back in session January 7th. Now, a spokesperson for South Sioux City schools told KTIV this afternoon, quote, "Our facilities and custodial teams responded promptly, and a roofing contractor is already on site assessing the damage and beginning to work to secure and patch the affected area. These repairs should protect the building until weather conditions allow for a more permanent fix if needed. As a precaution, the affected area will undergo a thorough safety inspection before it is returned to use," end quote.